Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Roth IRA ladder strategy in Vanguard, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize the Roth IRA ladder strategy in Vanguard, begin by logging into your Vanguard account. Navigate to the investing section of the website. Select retirement accounts to access your Roth IRA. If you don't have a Roth IRA, you must open one by following the prompts. Once inside your Roth IRA, it's time to fund your account. You can transfer funds from an existing account or make a direct contribution. Make sure to comply with the annual contribution limits set by the IRS. After funding your account, decide on the investment options for your ladder strategy. Invest in a ladder of certificates of deposit, or CDs, with varying maturity dates. Choose CDs with terms that align with your cash flow needs. You may also consider using low-risk bond funds or treasury bonds as alternatives. Once your investment choices are made, allocate your funds accordingly. Monitor your investments regularly to ensure they are performing as expected. As each CD matures, reinvest the principal into new longer-term CDs or bonds. This process will help maintain the ladder while providing liquidity. Avoid withdrawing from your Roth IRA to maximize tax advantages. If you need to access funds, utilize the contributions first to minimize penalties. Regularly reassess your strategy and adjust your allocations as your financial situation changes. This will ensure you are making the most of the Roth IRA ladder strategy in Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.